Good evening, students. Now, today is, as we all know, 28th of July 2025, and the days that remaining days are 29, 30, 31, 1, and 2. And on 3rd, you have your NEET PG exam. Now, I'm going to talk about what to do a day before your exams and what to do on the morning of the exams. So, now let us come first to the a day before. How you should or what steps you should take one day before the exam. Now, specifically for people who are staying in other cities, who are traveling, this is important. Those who are staying in the same place, in the same city, and just morning they have to go and give their exam. So for them, it is not that important, or I'll say, yes, it is important, but it is more important for people who are traveling. So people who are traveling now, as we all know that the exam centers, especially the exam cities, are very far off for many students. Like they have to travel almost 600 to 1600 kilometers, right? Now, obviously, so you will start traveling. If you have a direct flight, then on you will start traveling either on 1st or 2nd August, right? Now, if there is a direct flight, then definitely you'll travel on 2nd. But if you have to change flights, or you are going by train, the airport is not there, or trains se jana hai, ya you have to go by cab, then it is better to start on 1st, right? Now, after that, one day before the exam, that is, I'm talking about 2nd of August. So when you reach the exam city, then the first thing that you should do is go to the exam center. Okay, now go to the exam center and see the location. What is the location of that exam center? Where exactly it is located? So the exact location you should see. Don't depend on GPS or GPS maps and okay, I've seen it, so you'll be like next day pahunch to jayenge. So don't depend on GPS maps. This is important. Go and see the exam center by yourself. Next thing, what you have to do is, while traveling, when you're traveling in the by road or by aeroplane or by train, you can study your notes which are self-made, your own handwriting notes. You can study volatile points which usually don't remember, so it is important that you see them on the last day. Then you can study those MCQs in which you make common mistakes. So these small things you revise, okay? Or just like a quick update that I have posted yesterday, which has got around 1000 lines, and that will give you a quick revision of pharmacology. So those kind of things you can read in the last moment while traveling. Now, fourth thing, have absolutely light dinner before 7 p.m, right? Why light dinner? Because next day you don't want any stomach upset, so that next day you don't have any stomach upset. Don't go around, or if the city is new, so you'll be like, don't travel here and there, and don't eat fancy food. Don't eat fancy food. So this you have to take care of. The next thing that you do is go to bed by 10 p.m. okay, this is important. And sleep. Now this I should have written in green, so I'll just earmark it, that you have to sleep properly one day before the exam. This is very very important, that you sleep before the exam. Even if you can't sleep, just lie down, right? It is important to just switch off the lights, close your mind, close your eyes, and just lie down, okay? Because what will happen, this will reduce the sympathetic drive that is there in your body. It will reduce the anxiety, and it will calm the brain. So this is something important even for the students who are living at home. So ऐसा मतलब ये नहीं कि इन्हीं के लिए ज़रूरी है. For all the students who are even at home, just eat your dinner by 7 p.m, go to bed by 10 p.m. Nothing doing. No studies after 10 p.m. I'll write this. No studies after 10 p.m. Right? And important thing, I'll tell you, very important thing. This is, I'll say, believe me, it works. Right? Believe me, it works. I have hundreds of students I've seen that when you sleep one day before the exam properly, you do better in the exam. So this is something very important that I want to tell you. Next thing, now, morning before the exam, what are you supposed to do on 3rd of August, right? So the first thing that you should do is that you get up by 6 a.m. If your exam center is very far, if exam center is far, then you have to get up by 5 a.m. 5 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. right? Next thing, second, freshen up, get ready, take a bath. Okay, after that give some time, pray to God. This is very important. Prayer is said to give, prayer gives strength. Whichever God you believe in, whichever God, your Bhagwan, Allah, or Guru Nanak, or Jesus Christ, or Buddhism, or any other religion, whatever, whichever God you believe in, whichever supreme power you believe in, the infinite supreme conscience you believe in, your Guru that you believe in, just pray, and that prayer will give you a lot of strength. Believe me, it is something very, very remarkable, very, very time tested, and this always works. So just pray to whomsoever you believe in, and it will give you a lot of strength before the exam. Third thing, reach the exam center before time. So if they are saying reach by 7 a.m., you reach by 6:55 a.m. If they are saying you reach at 7:30, you reach at least 10 minutes before that. So reach the exam center before time. What will happen? This will reduce the anxiety. When you are late, when you are running late, you always develop a certain anxiety. Arey, jaldi chalo, jaldi chalo, jaldi chalo. That kind of thing happens. So don't do that. Just reach the exam center before time. What should you eat? Like, I know many people, they can't eat when they are in stress, but I'll suggest that you just have a tea or coffee plus a little bit of butter toast, because you have to sit in the exam hall till 12 p.m, right? You need to have energy, and you just can't be hungry, and then suddenly between the exam you feel ravenously hungry कि मुझे कुछ भूख लग रही है, मुझे कुछ खाना है, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए. So you just have butter toast with tea or coffee, and that will take care of your stomach and your hunger also. So eat light breakfast. Please don't eat parathas. Okay, no parathas, no sandwiches. I do not suggest any sandwiches, or no idli, or upma, or very carbohydrate rich, carb rich food. No, don't eat all that. No, this is all not to be done. Why? Because it will make you sleepy, it will make you feel sleepy. So please don't eat all these food. Just take one tea, coffee, and one butter biscuit. That will take care of everything. Sorry, right? That is first important thing. Coming to the next, what are you supposed to carry with yourself? You're supposed to carry your admit card, and you're also supposed to carry your Aadhaar. That will be your photo ID, right? So admit card and Aadhaar card. Now after that, you pass all the whatever security checks are there, and then biometric and face scan and everything, and then you enter the hall. Now in the hall, see your table. This is something I always tell the students to be very methodical, very systematic in this approach. आप hall में अंदर आइए, अपनी table देखो, see your computer, your PC, your desktop, whatever it is. Okay, check everything is okay. Go to washroom, because after that you will not get any time for the washroom, or else there will be a long line, and then long queue रहेगी, and then you'll waste time. Go to the washroom, finish this off as early as possible, and then settle down. Okay, settle down at your desk. Then after this, no movement. You will not move here and there, right? This is important. After this, check kar lo, enter the hall, and then no movement after this. Just be seated at your table. Then another important thing, while sitting, don't look here or there. This is something I always tell my students. Unnecessarily don't look here and there, don't look at people, don't look at their eyes. No eye contact. You don't need to, you're not there as a psychological observer, right? You are there to give the exam. No eye contact. Just keep your mind relaxed and focused. Okay, you don't want to lose the clarity of your mind. Focused chahiye aapko, clear chahiye. So just don't look here and there, look at your computer. If there's a window, look outside. So if there's a window, you can just look outside, and just, this is the bubble, this is your computer, this is your table, and this is your chair, and you are just sitting here, right? This is the world for you right now. इस world के इधर उधर हमको कोई मतलब नहीं है. So don't get disturbed, don't get distracted. So lastly, if for girls, especially if girls are having any periods or any monthly menstrual cycle चल रही है, then please take painkillers and go. Don't take any chances. You don't want any kind of spasmodic pain to disturb you. So no spasmodic pain during the exams you want, right? So just take a painkiller and go in the exam. Don't take any chances in this is very important. And if your periods are on the corner, around the corner, then of course please go with complete protection and all, pad वगैरह लेके जाओ. You don't want between the exam any kind of problem. So this is something I really wanted to tell all of you students. And this is the detail that I wanted to tell you a day before the exam and on the morning of the exam, right? So God knows what is the problem with this. So this is a day before. I'll just revise. When you're traveling, reach the exam city, go to the exam center. Don't depend on GPS maps. Go and see the exam center. While traveling, you can have your study notes, volatile points, common mistakes पढ़ सकते हो, right? Then have a light dinner before 7 p.m. No stomach upset. Don't go around travel. Don't eat fancy food. Go to bed by 10 p.m. Sleep. That is important. Believe me, it works. No studies after 10 p.m. Then morning before the exam, get up by 6 a.m. If exam center is far, then you wake up early and freshen up, pray to God, reach your exam center before time, have a light breakfast, very light, just 2 slices of bread with butter and 1 coffee or tea. Don't eat any heavy food. Admit card, Aadhaar card लेकर अंदर जाना है. Enter the hall, see your table, see your PC, go to washroom, settle down at your desk. After that, no movement at all. While sitting down, don't look here and there. Just focus. No eye contact with other people. Don't look here. कौन है इधर बाजू में, कौन है उधर बाजू में, ये सब नहीं देखना है. This is the bubble. This is the world. For next 3 hours, you have to be in that world only, right? So this is what I wanted to convey.